Alright guys, what's up? It's DIY Arch here. We're going to go over how to clean your battery with one of these battery terminal cleaners. Open it up here, and then that'll clean part, and then it's got something on the other side here, and that'll also clean. So you have to loosen them all up, take it off, make sure you're not by that power, you don't want it to ground. Bring it in, spin it up and down in there. Be careful of the dust and stuff, you don't want to breathe that in, so make sure it's not too windy. Clean that side with that, then you're going to use this end to go over to this terminal and spin that on top of there. You can put the cap back on to be safe. Spin that a couple times, and that'll freshen up your terminals there. You see the copper there on the inside is all looking clean, and then we also got this terminal looking clean right there. So that's how that goes, and then you can just do the same thing with your negative. Take the same thing off, get demo, clean this bottom terminal, grab this end. Make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. We're out of here. Later.